Welcome to Knowledge Nexus. Get ready to uncover some of the most mind-blowing science facts that sound impossible, but are 100% real. From space mysteries to strange natural phenomena, here are 10 incredible science facts you won't believe. Fact number 1. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Did you know that water can boil and freeze at the same time? This bizarre phenomenon is called the triple point, and it happens when a substance exists in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas, simultaneously. For water, this occurs at a specific temperature and pressure, 0.01 Celsius and 611.657 pascals. Scientists use this concept in laboratories to calibrate thermometers precisely. This effect isn't just limited to water. Other substances also have unique triple points, and understanding them helps researchers study phase transitions in everything from metals to planetary atmospheres. For example, Mars's thin atmosphere allows carbon dioxide, dry ice, to reach its triple point naturally, which is why frozen CO2 can turn directly into gas in a process called sublimation. Fact number 2, there's a gigantic water reservoir in space. When you think of water, you probably picture Earth's oceans. But astronomers have found a massive cloud of water vapor in space, located 12 billion light-years away. This interstellar reservoir surrounds a quasar, a supermassive black hole that's actively consuming matter. How big is this cosmic ocean? It holds 140 trillion times the water in Earth's oceans. Scientists believe this discovery proves that water has existed in the universe for over 12 billion years, meaning it formed relatively early after the Big Bang. Interestingly, this also suggests that water may be abundant on exoplanets, increasing the chances of discovering alien life in the future. Fact number 3, a day on Venus is longer than a year. Venus has one of the slowest rotations of any planet in the solar system. It takes 243 Earth days to complete a single rotation on its axis, but it orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days, meaning its day is longer than its year. Even stranger, Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most planets, including Earth. This means if you stood on Venus, you'd see the sun rise in the west and set in the east. Scientists believe Venus once rotated normally but was flipped over time due to gravitational interactions and atmospheric drag. This slow rotation also contributes to Venus's extreme climate, where surface temperatures reach 900 Fahrenheit, 475 Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. Fact number 4, bananas are radioactive. Yes, bananas are naturally radioactive, but don't worry, it's completely harmless. They contain potassium-40, a radioactive isotope of potassium. Every time you eat a banana, you receive a tiny dose of radiation. In fact, scientists jokingly use the banana equivalent dose, BED, to compare radiation exposure. For example, eating one banana gives you 0.1 microsieverts of radiation. A dental X-ray exposes you to 50 bananas worth of radiation. A flight from New York to London gives you about 400 banana doses of radiation due to cosmic rays. Of course, you'd have to eat 10 million bananas at once for it to be dangerous. So enjoy your bananas, just don't expect to glow in the dark. Fact number 5, your body contains stardust. Every atom in your body, except for hydrogen, was created inside the heart of a dying star. Billions of years ago, stars fused simple elements like hydrogen and helium into heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, iron, and calcium, the building blocks of life. When these ancient stars exploded in supernovae, they scattered their elements across space. Over time, this stardust formed planets, moons, and eventually, us. The famous astrophysicist Carl Sagan once said, "We are made of star stuff." And it's true. About 97% of your body is composed of elements formed in ancient stars. In a very literal sense, you are a walking piece of the universe's history. Fact number 6, honey never spoils. Archaeologists have discovered 3,000-year-old honey inside Egyptian tombs, and it's still perfectly edible. But how is this possible? Honey has natural preservatives due to its low water content and high acidity. This prevents bacteria and microorganisms from growing. Plus, honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which acts as an antibacterial agent. That's why honey is not only used as food, but also as a natural wound dressing. Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans, used honey to treat infections and heal wounds, a practice that modern medicine has validated. Fact number 7, there's a planet made entirely of diamonds. 55 Cancri is an exoplanet located 40 light-years away, and scientists believe it's made mostly of diamond. This planet orbits extremely close to its star, making its surface temperature a scorching 4,200 Fahrenheit, 2,300 Celsius. Under such extreme heat and pressure, carbon can form crystalline structures, aka diamonds. If 55 Cancri E is truly diamond-rich, it could be worth quadrillions of dollars in earthly value. But don't get too excited. Space mining is still a long way off. Fact 8. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are some of the most unusual creatures in the ocean. They have 3 hearts, 2 pump blood to the gills, and 1 sends it to the rest of the body.
Even stranger, their blood is blue, not red.
That's because octopuses use hemocyanin, a copper-based molecule, instead of hemoglobin, which uses iron. Hemocyanin is better at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, which is why octopuses thrive in deep-sea habitats. Fact number 9. The human brain can generate enough electricity to power a light bulb. Your brain produces about 20 watts of electrical power, enough to keep a small light bulb glowing. This electricity comes from the constant firing of neurons, which send electrical impulses to process thoughts, emotions, and movements. On average, the brain generates 70,000 thoughts per day. Scientists are even researching brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, to harness this electrical activity to control prosthetic limbs, computers, and even robotic assistants, blurring the line between biology and technology. Fact number 10. The speed of light isn't always constant. We often hear that nothing is faster than light. But did you know light itself slows down under certain conditions? In a vacuum, light moves at 299,792,458 meters per second, but when it passes through materials like water or glass, it slows down significantly. Scientists have even conducted experiments where they stopped light completely using ultra-cold atoms and quantum interference. This research could revolutionize quantum computing and optical communication, leading to faster and more efficient data transfer technologies. If you enjoyed these mind-blowing science facts, there's plenty more to explore. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an amazing discovery. And if you found this video interesting, like would really help us out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.